What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video with your boy Big Pete. Today on this video, I'm gonna be changing out the camshaft position sensor for an 06 Impala S6. Alright, to do this, first you will have to unplug your battery, your negative post. Once you unplug your negative post, then you will have to take these two bolts off your fuel box. These two. So once you take them two off, you'll be able to lift up the fuel box, and that'll give you enough room to get to the sensor. And the sensor is right here on the side. I'm about to show you once I move the fuse box. But it's right here on the side, the passenger side, by the wheel, by the belt. Once I move this fuel box out of the way, I'm gonna show you. But take these bolts. I think they size 11, or you can use 7/16 to undo them bolts. Once you undo them bolts, I think it's a 10 that holds the screw that holds the camshaft position sensor in. I think it's a 10. So I'm changing out the camshaft position sensor because I got a code, engine code, saying that I need to change it. So here I am changing it. So let's take them bolts out. Just lift up on it. It sits off in a little slide at the bottom too. Let's see. But we'll push it. It's right there. So sensor sitting off and on. As you can see, my engine bay is really dirty, but you can barely see it, but it sits out right there. And it's a little clamp. So what you do to unclamp it, they got a little clamp on it. You just push up and then push it out. It'll come out of. Then you take the bolt off. That's what I'm gonna do right quick. Hey guys, I just got it unplugged. Here my plug is. I'm gonna get some meniscus tape too. I got some. I'm gonna tape them wires back up. But for the sensor, it's right. Oh my gosh, shit, but it's right there. And it's gonna be one bolt that hold it in. You take that bolt out, you take the sensor out. And when taking it off, I ain't have my flathead, so I used a Phillips screwdriver. That's what I did. I got it behind there, right there, and I pushed up on it, and then pushed it back with the Phillips. When doing that, be careful when you do it. Try not to break that clamp. If you do, you're gonna be have to replace that clamp. So I'm gonna take the sensor out, put the new one in, and put the clamp back on. That's it. That's all you gotta do to change out your camshaft position sensor on a 06 Impala S6. Alright guys, I just took the 10 mil bolt out of there. Okay, now I'm out here to take the sensor out. And when putting the sensor back in, just make sure you don't over tighten the bolt. Tighten up, get about a quarter turn, and that'll be it. Thank y'all for looking at the video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and spread the word about your boy Big Pete. Thank you.